Once again wearing pink ribbons and badges with her face on, Anni Dewani's family arrived at court in South Africa for the second day of this trial, shortly before the arrival of the husband who denies murdering his new bride. The trial of Anni Dewani started on Monday, but today his story about what happened that night in November 4 years ago was torn apart by evidence heard in court. At their wedding in India, the couple looked very much in love, but the prosecution say Anni Dewani would go on to commission Anni's killing. Mwaziwama Dodo Kwabe is one of 3 men already serving 25 years in jail for her murder. But today, the alleged hitman turned witness and in the process directly implicated Anni Dewani in her murder. Kwabe said the day before Annie was shot dead in a taxi, he'd had a phone call from a friend telling him there was someone who wanted a job to be done. Kwabe told the court there was a husband who wanted his wife to be killed. Annie would be killed and it needed to look like a hijacking. Nothing would happen to the husband and Zola. Zola Tonga was a taxi driver for the Dewanis that night, already found guilty for his part in the killing, as was his accomplice Ulele Mangeni, who the court heard was the person who fired the fatal shot. Kwabe told the court, "I heard a gunshot." Mangeni said, "I shot the lady. I pulled over onto the pavement and stopped the car. I saw she, Annie, was on the back seat of the car." We have yet to hear if Shrian himself will take to the witness stand, but his lawyers maintain he is innocent and they were a couple deeply in love. Charlotte Grant, 5 News.